Effective January 1, 2021, all cattle must have ear tags and corresponding passports. So says Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, J.C. Hutchinson. He says the move is a part of an effort to tighten enforcement measures under the National Animal Identification and Traceability System, NAITS, and it will help in the fight against predial larceny, which costs farmers approximately $6 billion annually.
All cattle owners therefore now have 6 months to access the free ear tags and passport for each head of cattle, and we are urging them all to get those tags now. Tag your animals so we can trace them and keep them out of the hands of the predial thieves. Mr. Speaker, over the coming weeks, the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, through its veterinary service divisions, will be engaging the Ministry of Health and Wellness to collaborate with the Public Health Inspectorate in strengthening compliance with the regulations and to have adherence to jointly strengthen our resolve to ensure that no cattle meat is sold without requisite checks and balances in accordance with the requirements of the law.
Hutchinson says that over the coming weeks, the ministry, through its Veterinary Services Division, will be engaging with the Ministry of Health and Wellness in collaboration with the Public Health Inspectorate to strengthen compliance with the regulations.
So consequently, there should be no movement of cattle from any one location to the next without those passports and the ear tags. In addition, no public health inspector is permitted to inspect or certify any meat before an ante-mortem verification is done, which includes the checking of the passport and the matching of ear tags. Mr. Speaker, it's regrettable that there is no universal compliance with these requirements at this time. To date, of the estimated population of 76,000 cattle, approximately 50% or 38,000 have been tagged.
He says the NAITS has the potential to significantly curb predial larceny and was primarily intended for the control of disease, food safety, and the tagging and tracing of animals. Minister Hutchinson made the announcement during his contribution to the 2020-2021 sectoral debate in the House of Representatives this week.